Everybody, and welcome to the first vlog in like forever. Literally just got back like 11 o'clock last night, so what you're about to see is 40 hours worth of like 2-3 minutes of clips. So huge shout out to Noah, appreciate you, man. You guys can check out his Instagram down here on the video, and I'll leave his Instagram link to in the description as well. So this is first of many videos to come this year, and you guys know what it is. Enjoy this little trip. I am so tired, and yeah, sorry about the audio. Didn't think it was gonna be that bad, but have the shotgun mic right here, so that'll be something that'll be on for the most part when we vlog and check out the car scene. So here we go, guys. Enjoy. So we just started this vlog for the very first time, and we've got one of the kings of K cars here in Seattle right here next to us. Look at him. You can see his Instagram handle right here. But we are in his hometown of...
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Never mind.
We're in LA area.
We're in LA area. We're picking up a Jimny for Eunice, and it's been a long 18 hours. Long 18 hours. So this is the start of what is going to be the new portion of the channel, and this guy's going to be part of it too.
Yep.
Along with a bunch of other people that you'll see. So subscribe if you're new here, hit that notification bell icon, because this is about to get hot this year. See his pretty face a lot.
Pretty ass cars.
With pretty ass cars. We can see his car later in the video. You'll see how rad his setup is. Maybe you see how bright it is.
Yeah.
Out there. But yeah, that's that. So here's the whip, yo. We're gonna bring this back tonight. Eunice is super excited. Just got off the phone with her. Really cool guys that we just bought this car from. But this is it right here. We've loaded it up. We've got Noah back here. What you doing, Noah?
Chaining it up.
Chaining it up.
Yes, sir.
We chaining it up right now. Yup. And I think we already locked the doors. But here, let's go ahead and take a look inside here really quick. Can't really see it. There it is. Right-hand drive. This thing is really clean for its age. 1995. Super clean. Yeah, guys. That's another one down. Added in. Let's see how it goes. So can't wait for Eunice to drive this thing. And yeah, if you guys want to see more content on this, of course, subscribe, hit that notification bell icon, and don't miss out. There's gonna be a lot more cool car content coming your way this year, and I appreciate everybody's support coming back into the channel. But here we go. We're in Chino, California right now, and it's been a long drive to get back up to the Pacific Northwest. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, we'll see you guys along the way. Hey guys, so the truck is here. 40 hours of combined driving between me and Taco Hunter Noah. Successful mission. Huge shout out to this guy. A lot of help. He saved me from possibly getting stranded. And
Fly down, trying to drive it back up.
yeah, try and drive it back up. So yeah, check out his page. Check out his Instagram. He's got a bunch of cool cars here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but like I said, stay tuned to the channel. There's gonna be a lot of content with this dude here and his cars and whatever else that we're gonna find this season. So guys know what to do. Like if you guys like today's video, and give him a follow. So yeah, let's get this thing home, guys. So here is the ride. And we made it home. So now we're gonna see what Eunice thinks of this thing. I know it looks green a little bit or black, but it's actually blue. Super excited to get this thing cleaned up. You got the matching blue wheels. Got the chrome finish there with the tire carrier. Ooh! Bruh. The top looks great. Yeah, you can see it looks kind of green a little bit. But yeah, interior is really nice. Alright. Super excited to see what she thinks about this car. Come out here! Come out here! Come check out your car!
So cute! So cute!
What do you think?
It's so cute!
Go check it out!
I know!
Oh snap! 40 hours later. What do you think?
It's so cute!
It's so cool, huh?
It is so cool.
It's here now.
I know. I love it.
Go check it out. Open up the door. Open it up, man. Oh snap!
It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Go ahead and start it. Yeah, start it. Go start your car, girl. Go start it up. You don't need to press the clutch in either.
Oh,
Just like the other ones.
put it in that.
Yeah, or there's a lot of things I want to show you. But check it out.
What's that?
That's the card reader. So that's the toll card reader that they have in Japan.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good start.
Right?
That's a good start.
It's cool, huh?
It is very cool. I love
It's
it.
very cool. It matches you. Look, close the door, close the door, close the door. Close the door. Oh, snap! What's up? Dang. Yo, you gotta give him the sign. Gotta give him your little peace sign or whatever. Whatever it is that you do. That's what's up. What do you think?
I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You excited to take it to like car shows and stuff?
I am.
Huh? You ready to flex on
I'm gonna
people?
stunt on all these bitches.
Oh shit. Oh shit. You look cute, baby.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You caught me
So-
on the shower.
It's all good, it's all good. It's super cool though.
It is very cool.
Hell yeah. Well, you gotta give Noah a little shout out.
I know.
He
I
helped.
send him a very heartfelt thank you.
Aw, well, you can let him know. He's part of the video. We did the whole recording.
Did you really?
Yeah, we did a vlog,
That's
so like
so
we're
cool.
starting it up, so yeah.
That's so cute.
What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts?
I love
Think it's worth it?
it. Yeah. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I love it.
It's 5-speed.
5-speed.
Yep.
I like that it's the manual.
I know, right? Manual windows.
Hell yeah.
The mirrors are manual, but they don't really do anything. Like
Oh.
they kind of just plop up and then they fall.
And then they
But,
fall.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
We'll fix it.
We'll fix it. Well, cool. Ta-da! As well, that's Eunice's reaction. She likes it.
I love it.
Well, you love what?
I love it.
You love it. But alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's first vlog in forever. Like I said, subscribe if you guys want to see more. There's going to be a ton of car show stuff, cars, and just everything happening on this channel. From like edits and things like this. So subscribe, hit that notification bell icon, and liking this video will help my channel grow. I appreciate everybody coming back to the channel. And thank you, Noah. Remember, check out his Instagram.
Noah.
Yeah, check out his Instagram down below. He's got a lot of cool cars, and you guys will see him on the channel a lot. So, yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep. We're gonna go move these cars now into their spots. So, deuces, guys.